Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a speed test between the two POCOs. This is the POCO F1 and this is the new POCO X2. So we are going to do a speed test between these two, both of them. The POCO F1, which has this flagship processor Snapdragon 845, and another we have the POCO X2, which has the Snapdragon 730G. So guys, let's begin. Okay, so guys, first of all let us do a reboot test, bootup test. So let's see which one boots up faster. Okay, so POCO X2 shows up the logo first. Okay, so this was not a surprising because the POCO X2 here is the newer one. So POCO X2 here wins, and this is taking a lot of time to open. So first of all let's open Instagram. Almost the same here. First of all let me just turn off the auto rotate on both of them. Then YouTube. POCO X2 was faster. Camera, POCO F1. PUBG Mobile. This is the game everyone was waiting for. Let's see which one opens up faster. Okay, POCO X2 shows up the screen first, but let's see, you never know. This is the flagship processor here. Okay, this was way faster. POCO X2 was way faster. Yeah. Don't know what is wrong with the POCO F1. I'm doing this for second time, and this time also it is taking a long time. Finally, after waiting for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, it just booted up. Let's open the another game, the Temple Run. Here also the POCO X2 is faster here. Okay, we are going to do a RAM management test. So now let's open the Airtel app. POCO X2. Now Flipkart. Here also this was a close call, almost the same. Now Play Store, POCO X2. Now music app. Okay, here both were almost the same. Now Google Maps. Here also POCO X2. Dialer app, almost the same. Messaging app, same. So guys, that is it. Now we will see which both of them, the RAM management, the RAM here on both of them is the same 6 GB of RAM. Now let's open the Instagram. Both of them would take in the RAM. YouTube, both of them were in the RAM. Camera in the RAM. PUBG. Okay, both of them just reloaded the game here. Now Temple Run. Both of them reloaded it. Airtel app. Okay, it was in the memory but it just reloaded them on both of them. Flipkart. Both of them reloaded it. Play Store. Okay, it was in the RAM in POCO F1. Music app, both of them reloaded it. Maps, both reloaded it. Calling app, it was on the RAM on POCO F1. Messaging app, or RAM in the RAM management. So the RAM management on the POCO X2 is a bit low because POCO F1 took more apps in the RAM than the POCO X2. So this was the MIUI optimization. Both of them should be improved. The MIUI optimizations, I don't know. The RAM management here is poor on MIUI. So guys, otherwise everything was just the same. The app opening times on the POCO F1 was a bit longer than the POCO X2. Otherwise both of them are just amazing devices, but I expected more from the POCO F1 because it has flagship chip which is the Snapdragon 845, but I'm very much disappointed with the POCO F1. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.